Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Hi, I'm Shannon. I hope you're all doing well. This video is going to be kind of like a sit down kind of like video suggestions, I suppose. As a small YouTuber, I do kind of understand how difficult it is to come out with like new video ideas, especially if you're uploading continuously. So I try and do like 2 to 3 videos a week. If you don't have a bigger audience, it's very difficult to pump out new videos constantly. A lot of these video ideas will be kind of like similar to my niche. So my niche is a lot of fashion related content, and occasionally I do a bit of like dibbling and dabbling into like other things so that you can get to know me more personally. So I do actually have a lot of these ideas on my notes, so I'm just gonna quickly grab them up. So number one is clothing hauls. Clothing hauls is pretty much a self-explanatory one. They're never going to go away. Everybody loves clothing hauls, and me personally, I go on YouTube first. So if I wanted to buy from Zara, I would always go on YouTube first, type in Zara try on haul or Zara haul, and then it shows me a lot of videos, and then I know exactly what I want to buy, what sort of stuff that I want to like check out, you know. So that's a good one. It saves you also as well from like scrolling through the new in section. Number 2 is TikTok trends. So TikTok trends, everybody loves TikTok. Like everybody is obsessed with TikTok, and a lot of YouTubers are bringing TikTok over to their platform. So there's a lot of TikTok ones out there. So it's like reacting to viral TikToks, it's trying TikTok, how to become TikTok famous in 24 hours. And obviously that's going to be amazing, because if you can actually get TikTok famous in 24 hours, people are going to love to watch that. People are going to want to know. Also as well, you've got TikTok hacks, so that might be clothing hacks, etc. So I love the fact that people are bringing TikTok over to YouTube, because it just makes it more realistic as well. Like you might see a lot of creators going, oh, I can do this on TikTok, and I watch and I go, that's really hard. And then if you see somebody recreating it on YouTube, like the step-by-step guides, then cool, that's amazing. So decorating your house, a house tour, so anything to do with your house, that's amazing. People love how people have gone from A to B, especially in the house. It gives people inspiration, it gives people ideas. I watch a lot of stuff. If I'm going to decorate my bedroom, or at the moment I'm decorating my daughter's bedroom, I just like how people got from A to B, especially if you have smaller rooms. So there are a lot of videos out there for how to decorate in this aesthetic for smaller rooms. Perfect, amazing. I think it makes it so realistic as well. With YouTube as well, I don't know, it makes people relate to you more, especially with these sorts of videos. So I've got house tours, university tours. So obviously from the UK we call it university, in America you call it college. People go into dorms, halls, whatever that you call it, and seeing what it looks like, your experience, you know, how have you decorated your temporary home, you know. So I think those are really good ideas. You also have story times. Story times I think is such a good one. They're more popular if you have an audience already, but I think also as well, story times can make you more relatable. So I could do a video of the first time I got my heart broken, let's just say. So you could do a story time on what you've gone through. It makes you, number one, more relatable, not seem like a zombie or a robot or just a normal person on their like laptop screen or phone screen, whatever they're watching you on. And like I said, it makes you more relatable. And if that person is going through a breakup or they're really struggling and they watch your video, like again, it makes you become more relatable. They might end up feeling like they've got a bond with you, which I think is really good as well. I want to do a couple of story times on my channel, but I'm a bit nervous. I don't know. I don't know if they're going to be like well received, but yeah, like they are a really good idea to do. We've also got recreating Pinterest outfits, which I think is a really good idea. Obviously, I've gone onto Pinterest and I love some people's outfits, and if you can recreate them, people are going to love seeing that. So if you provide any sort of like links to the outfits that you've purchased in order to recreate an outfit, then it makes it so much easier for people. People like convenience, and that video is convenience. Not everybody wants to sit hours upon hours upon hours recreating an outfit that they might have seen, you know. So if somebody else can do it and provide that information for somebody else, it's convenient, it's easy, people love that. So we also have Netflix recommendations, which is actually a video I already have on my channel. So if you haven't seen that already, I will actually pop it on the iCards for you to go and check out, because it is definitely a must watch. If you did actually like that video, I am thinking of doing a part 2, you know. Everybody loves Netflix. In the state of the world that we're in, everybody loves watching TV. Right, book recommendations, I think is a really good one. I've become a bit of a reader, so if people want to read, like I said, so many people have so much time on their hands now. that might be a good shout. Film recommendations, so reviews. People love reviews, whether that's on clothing or makeup or whatever. People love to watch reviews. So film reviews, why not? That could be a good one, especially if it's something that might have gone viral. So especially if it's a video that everybody's obsessed with, or it's a highly anticipated film, why not? If you're one of the first people to have watched it in the cinema, then review it. People love that. We also have like morning routines, skincare routines. So everybody loves what people get up to. People are nosy. People want to know what people get up to. People are very invested in other people's lives, which is not a bad thing. People like being nosy. I'm nosy. Like, I watch some people's channels and I like to know the ins and outs of people. I know that's so bad, but I mean, that is what social media has done to our generation. But yeah, like, people like to be nosy. My morning routine, it will be different to somebody else's, and I think as well it's more relatable. I'm gonna sneeze. Wow, bless me. I think that's a good one. I actually want to do a morning routine. As a young mum, as a mum myself, my routine is going to be completely different to somebody else's. Everyday makeup looks, okay, people love that. I've actually got one on my channel that I did ages ago. Yeah, like when I first started out my channel. So if you haven't seen that, I will put that up on the iCards as well. This is going to be like a massive plug video, but yeah, I've done that. Everybody loves makeup looks. Everybody loves what sort of items that you've used, what sort of products. So yeah, shoe collection. So self-explanatory really. Declutter videos, so the messier the better. If your bedroom is messy and they get to see how you got from A to B, people love that. I love that. I just think it's so appealing, so what's the word, satisfying. I'm lazy. I am lazy. Really bad trait, but I'm lazy. But I have to be in the mood to want to declutter things or throw things away, you know? So I think those videos give me motivation to go, I really need to do that. Like recently I did a wardrobe declutter. I kind of wished I filmed it, but I didn't. I have literally like a whole pile over there that needs to go to the charity shop. And I'm just, stationery hauls for school. So people have actually just recently gone back to school, so I don't know if people are going to school still. I know there are schools in the UK that people are going to school, but there are certain areas that unfortunately have gone into like mini lockdowns or quarantining. But yeah, so stationery hauls are really good. Like, I love a good stationery. A lot of people, especially in America, I think they are studying from home, so yeah, stationery hauls never going to go away as well. People always going to go to school. People always going to need stationery. But day in the life working from home, so yeah, if you're working from home, perfect, easy. We also have recreating something outfits. So this could be Hailey Bieber, for example. People love Hailey Bieber's style, so recreate her outfits, you know, and people would love that. Again, convenience. Being a celebrity as well, people look up to her, people see her as a fashion icon, so easy, you know, if you can make it affordable as well. People love that. What's on my iPhone? These aren't going away anytime soon, you know, so if you actually want a video of that, I'm happy to do that. Like I say, people are nosy. People like to know what people have. It's also a good way to find out, you know, new apps that you haven't seen that might be convenient to you. We have what I use my MacBook for, or whatever sort of device, a tablet, MacBook, a computer, whatever. People like to see how you use those devices. Unboxing, so this could be unboxing any Apple product, so people like to watch that. They are really like aesthetically pleasing, especially the new iPad Airs. Like, I love the like taking off the wrappers. The sound of it is so nice. We also have wardrobe essentials, so this could be what items do you need in autumn, you know. Trying on all my clothes, my wardrobe, they seem to be really popular. They seem to be a bit of a trend. How I edit my YouTube videos, how I edit my thumbnails, how to edit Instagram photos. Again, convenience. Some people don't really like to find out themselves. They want to just learn from other people, and if they can pick up tips and tricks from you, people are gonna love that. What I eat in a day, what I eat in a week, again, goes back to people being nosy. People like to know, especially if people are on a health kick and they want to maybe better their diet, and they're kind of like struggling with food ideas or whatever, and they watch you and they're like, oh my god, that granola looks nice, or whatever, as an example. that helps people. I know like social media has a lot of like negativity attached to it, but it could be so positive as well, and I hope that kind of proved it. But anyway, those are all the video ideas that I have. There is so many more. As a small YouTuber myself, if you are a small YouTuber watching this, I hope this kind of helps you, you know, come up with new ideas if you're interested in any of these. If you think you're going to use any of these ideas, then just smash the thumbs up and let me know what video that you might be doing in the future, and I will definitely check you out. If you did like this video, and if you did like me, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, smash that bell so you can be notified. I hope you stick around, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.